The reason I came to college is because in high school the only subject that really interested me was business, so I thought I'd come to college and put all my energy into that instead.
I decided to come to college because school just wasn't the right environment for me, and I find that it's just a lot more of a comfortable environment to learn in, and I just feel it's easier for me to do my work and get stuff done.
The course has really helped me gain independence as well as learn a lot more self-motivation. As part of one of the units in college we had to manage an event, and that was everything from planning the online event to actually hosting it.
So the thing that I've particularly enjoyed about my course is that it's geared me up for what I want to do when I'm older, and I've got really nice tutors and they help guide me through, and if I'm struggling I've never got any qualms to ask them any questions.
The facilities in college are really good. We've got a Starbucks so you can get your coffees, there's great sports facilities.
College has changed my expectations of myself because I'm more independent, and I've learned that I have to go off and do things on my own.
I feel now that I am able to work a lot more independently. We have to do lots of assignments in college. It's learning skills that I don't have to rely on other people. I can do work by myself now.
My advice to students looking to do this course would definitely be to organise your work. It is a really good course, and especially if you're looking to go into accounting, anything to do with business, like making your own company, anything like that is really good.